Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching the tenor part for the song Ndifuna Wena by DJ TK. Now the tenor part is played using what we call octaves. That means you are playing, for example, it starts on an A, that means you'll be on your left hand, that means you'll be playing also an A on your right hand. So as you move up, you're playing a B on your left together with another higher B on your right, same as you go up. So you'll be playing in octaves. Now the rhythm for the piece goes like this. So I'm going to break up the rhythm into parts. The first part goes like this. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So, and the notes are from A and A. And from A, you're going to go to B and B. All right. So you go A, B. One more time. A, B. And then you move on. This time you're playing C and C, going to D and D. Same rhythm. C, D. All right, let's start again. A, B. Then you go to C, D. And then next you move up to E and E, and then to F. So unfortunately, we don't have a higher F, so you're just going to play a single F in the middle there. So you're going to go E, F, E, F. Right, from the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F. Can we try again? A, B, C, D, E, F. Now let's move on. You go back to E. So E, F, E. And then E, F, to end. That's the last one. E, F. From the beginning. Notes one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, E. Right, so basically that's the tenor part. And then we now move on to the end, to the ending. Now the ending is the same part as the piccolo and also the soprano. The tenor is also basically playing that melody for the ending, which goes like this. From E and G, you're going to go E, G, A. E, G, A. E, G, A, C. And then roll on the C. One more time. E, G, A. E, G, A. E, G, A, C. So you play it twice through. After the second time, you're going to keep rolling on the C until you fade. So let me play that twice through. Second time. And then you keep rolling on the C until you fade. Right, that is the tenor part for Ndifuna Wena. I hope you're going to enjoy putting the whole song together. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website. or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.